Welcome to the EV Tire Showdown. Hankook iON Evo SUV versus the Falken e.Ziex. Tested on the Kia e.Ziex, we compare battery range, handling, mileage, noise, and price. Throughout this comparison, you'll see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Hankook iON Evo SUV set at the reference point at 100%. Starting with battery range, the Falken e.Ziex has a 1.33 lower rolling resistance coefficient value and consumes 0.55 kWh less per 100 km than the Hankook iON Evo SUV, making it slightly more efficient. Now let's hit the wet roads. In wet braking tests, the Hankook stops 3 meters shorter than the Falken. Its wet handling speed is 0.8 km per hour faster. Hankook also resists aquaplaning 2.3 km per hour better, making it the stronger performer in wet conditions. In dry conditions, the Hankook stops 1.7 meters shorter and has a 0.6 km per hour faster handling speed than the Falken, giving it the edge in braking and stability. When it comes to mileage, Hankook lasts roughly about 36,000 km, which is 8,000 km longer than Falken, making it a better choice for longevity. When it comes to noise, Hankook is also 1.6 dB quieter, providing a more comfortable ride. When it comes to price, the Falken e.Ziex is 9% cheaper than the Hankook iON Evo SUV, making it a great consideration for budget-conscious buyers. So, which tire takes the crown? While the Falken e.Ziex wins on rolling resistance and price, the Hankook iON Evo SUV dominates in critical areas like wet and dry performance, mileage, and noise reduction. For EV drivers prioritizing safety, durability, and overall ride comfort, the Hankook iON SUV is the clear winner.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.